What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the Toyota OEM badge into any custom emblem. And it's not even a year yet, and you can already see how bad it looks. First, we'll need a heat gun. I bought this on Amazon and had to make sure that it was compatible with my Ryobi batteries. Next, we're going to need a decal remover or a rubber wheel eraser. A simple power drill should do the trick. Next, a fishing wire. Any cleaner that wouldn't mess with your paint. If you know a better chemical for it, please let us know in the comments down below. And then you have your custom emblems. For the GR Supra, please note that the front emblem is larger than the rear. Now let's proceed to the heat gun and start heating up the adhesive behind the OEM badge. This ensures that it's easier to take off and softens the adhesive so you don't damage the paint. Next, use the fishing wire to work your way into it gently. Take your time with the process. Don't be in a hurry. It's better to have all the adhesive areas warm enough so it's much easier to take off. Now, as you can see here, there's a lot of adhesive left. Now I'm going to heat up the adhesive a little more so it's going to be softer and much more easier to work on. I'm using a trim removal tool or any blunt plastic tool that would prevent any scratches on the paint, and hopefully we don't run into any other issue. Now position the decal eraser on an angle. It's always best to use the lowest setting on your power drill to have better control and prevent scratches. Now this process took me 3 to 5 minutes. If you feel like you need more time, that's really up to you. Now it's going to be the same process for the front badge. Heat it up, take your time with the fishing wire and work your way into it. Note that the front badge do have some pins underneath. And then there you have it. We got Blacked Out Toyota Badges on the GR Supra. And shout out to Custom Emblems USA. I'll drop a link down below where you can buy these badges. And then they do also have other brands as well if you're interested. They have really good customer service. They have hassle-free delivery. I am not sponsored for this video. This is just based on my purchase experience with Custom Emblems USA. If you like this video, please do leave a like. Comment down below if you have any suggestions that could make this process better. I would really appreciate some input. And if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe and support the channel. I appreciate the support, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.